Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you enable the biometric and fingerprint option in the AppLock application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find the settings. Press on it and here you should select the first option, which is system and security, and after doing that you should select the third option here, which is biometric and fingerprint. After doing so, you can see that you can either activate the fingerprint option or the biometric one. The fingerprint one uses only fingerprint, while the biometric uses Face ID and fingerprint as well. Now if you want to activate one of these, you have to press on it and you see that it is activated. Now the first time that you are doing this, you will need to give permission in your phone settings in order to be able to use this feature, and also create a fingerprint if you have not created beforehand, and that fingerprint will be used with this option. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.